Here's how to create your Star Hunter project, part 1. First of all, you will log into Google CS using your Google login. Every time you will start a new project right here. So if you go into CS first, it might show you this, I borrowed Link's account. You can click on projects. If you're already working on a project, it will be in here. If you need to start a new project, simply click on new project. When you're making a project, I want to make sure you name the project. So up here where it says entitled to, this one is called Star Hunter. The first thing you're going to do in Star Hunter is basically the aim of the game is you are going to have a cat that is going to be chased by octopuses and collect stars to be able to get points. So first what we do is we have our cat. And what we're going to do is, here's our Sprite the cat. If you want to change your Sprite to something different, you can simply click here. Click here where you can choose a Sprite. Here's a different place. Choose a Sprite goes to the library. You can make your own. You can pick a surprise, or you could upload something from the outside world. So if we choose a Sprite and you wanted to see if there's a different cat, you could type in cat and it shows you the different cats. Maybe you want a different character to be your Star Hunter. Maybe you want it to be a monkey. Okay, so you can switch it and switch your cat for a monkey, and I basically can just get rid of. So my monkey is going to be my main character. So what I need my monkey to do is to be able to move around the screen following my mouse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the control and I'm going to find forever. Now remember, when you are coding, you want to make sure you're on the right character. I only have one Sprite right now, so it's the only place I can be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the forever block. And I want this monkey to go to the mouse pointer. So that's going to be under motion. So here's my go-to. Now notice it doesn't say mouse pointer. If there is a little arrow, that means there's other choices. Oh, there's mouse pointer. So this is saying forever go to the mouse pointer. So if I wanted to try it, watch. I could click on the blocks and basically my monkey is following my mouse pointer. Now, I want it to happen at a certain time. So that is going to be my event. My event is what I want to use is when the green flag is clicked. Here is my green flag. So my green flag is not clicked. It's not following the mouse pointer. I click on the green flag. It follows the mouse pointer. So that's the first thing that I want to do to my main Sprite. What I want to do now is I want to set the scene. So to go to the scenes, here's stage. Over here, I can choose a backdrop, just like I could choose a Sprite. And you have the choice. I could search for one, I could create my own, I could have it surprise me, or I could upload one from the outside world. Right now, I'm going to choose a backdrop, and I want the underwater. So I'm going to go to search, and I want underwater too. I click on it. Now I have a backdrop for it. The last thing I want to do in this section is I want to add sound effects. So I want it to sound like it's underwater. So it's part of setting the scene. So what I'm going to do is I want it to be when my monkey is playing. So I'm going to click on my monkey and I'm going to go up here, scroll up if I have to sounds. And I'm going to look for bubbles. So watch, down here, same thing with choose a sound, just like choose a Sprite, choose a sound. Sorry, I was in the wrong place. Here I can put in bubbles. I click on my bubbles, and now bubbles is my choice of sounds. So what I want to do is I want the sound to be playing, and it is attached to my monkey. So what I'm going to do into code is what I'm going to add is when the flag is clicked, because that's the event that's going to start everything, I want it to go on forever. So I want it to keep repeating. And I'm going to go to sound and found play the bubble sound until done. So if we take a listen and I hit the play, you can see my monkeys moving and you should be able to hear the bubble sound.